Okay, so in this video, still in week 3, and then I am starting my Etsy shop to sell the PDF file, which will connect to my app. So as here's week 1 is all done, and then now it's week 2. I finish all of that as well, and I just did the printable, and now I'm gonna list it on Etsy. And I think I am not going to do the PayHip just yet because I just want to focus on Etsy for now. So I went into Claude in the same project AI Wiz Kid because if you're still in the same project, it'll remember um, previous chats and what you uploaded previously. And I'm just gonna ask it now. I am in week 3 of this build. This chat session will be all about building out my Etsy shop. So I'm just doing a recording after my screenshot or screen record my computer here. So hopefully everything goes well. This is my first time narrating. So I just fire that off. Now I'm in week 3 of this build. This chat session would be all about building out my Etsy store and PayHib. Do you understand that? And then they got it, and it's just asking me some follow-up question. Neither store exists. Need to set up both. Etsy shop exists. So there's a brand new Etsy shop. I will go ahead and click that there and see is the file. Yeah, we already downloaded the PDF file from Canva, and now it's gonna help me build out my Etsy store. So the Etsy shop requires some setting up. So I set up. I think I recorded most of the setup for Etsy's here. But if you have any question regarding setting up a Etsy shop, just comment on the comment there. So okay, so this is Etsy's website. I'm gonna set up the store itself. So I'm just gonna go through the motion here. There's a lot of YouTube channel out there actually go into detail how to set up the Etsy shop properly. So if you want to go ahead and fast forward this portion, is okay. I'm just basically showing you what it entails in the very beginning. I'm going to have. I'm just gonna uh, choose my shop name, AI Wiz Kids, because that's my brand at the moment, I guess. So go ahead and fill all this in, and then I'll fill you in. I'll come back in a bit. Okay, so my Etsy shop is up and running, and I went back to Claude. So I asked it to help me set it up. So with all these like banner and things that needs to be in a Etsy shop for my store, so I just copy that or screenshot that. So using Claude is pretty easy. If you have to fill in things, anything that you don't know, just go ahead and screenshot it and then upload it to Claude, and then they'll help you fill it in. So I'm doing this to show you how easy you can use Claude, and how it can be very helpful in filling things in. So I'm just gonna, for the majority of this build or project or business, I'm just gonna have Claude do the most of the lifting here. So I just go ahead and I screenshot all the Etsy requirement, all the criteria that needs to be added in there for this product. So let's see what it does now. So I have finished setting up my Etsy shop. Is okay. Let's get started building the shop. All right. So okay. So I'll show you what the end result is here. Okay. So this is the AI Wiz Kids Etsy shop, and from using Claude, basically built this for me. Just wrote all the text about AI Wiz Kid. I attached my website. I attached my was it That's the bedtime story machine that I built. I also attach, I think that one is TikTok. Oh, this one's my YouTube channel, I believe. No, this is the TikTok channel. And I think the next one is YouTube here. Perfect. Okay. So, got my Etsy shop up and running using Claude. So, here is the back end of Etsy here. What I filled out. That's the title. And I have already uploaded the digital file, the family, the one I built with Canva. That's the description of my product. So at the moment, see, I noticed that it's supposed to be 11 pages, but it's just saying 9 pages. And so I'll go ahead and upload the PDF file onto Claude, and I'll ask it to update the listing for me. But yeah, this is the end product of, or the listing for the PDF file. Okay, now I'm just gonna go back on Claude and help and ask it to help me design the images. So, okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And if you have any questions, just comment down below, and I'll try to get back to you guys. All right, thank you for watching.